guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so damn excited right now, but since it's an introduction video, so let me introduce myself first. My name is Tanisha and I am an pass out from Delhi University. I am into fashion blogging since 2018 and I did all those things that every typical fashion blogger does, from indoor shoots, outdoor shoots, to buying a lot of clothes every month and then crying over I don't have clothes, I don't have any idea what to shoot and all that, everything. So everything was going so well and I had a good following on my Instagram, but then one fine day I just got to know that there are some technical issues and I had to shut that account. After that I started a new account on Instagram in this quarantine, maybe May or June, yeah, May June something, and then started doing all the same things, all indoor shoots and all that. So one fine day I just thought, why not try my hands on video making as well, as people are doing so great in that. So I just tried making a video and it was a blunder. I didn't even post it because it was so so bad, but then I kept on trying and came up with a lot of video content on my Insta. And then I guess last month I just thought, why not start my own YouTube channel, and from the very next day I started working on it and here I am in front of you. So talking about my YouTube channel, I'll be creating a lot of content related to fashion, styling, DIY, makeup tutorial and personality development. So make sure you guys please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll be coming with my first video on this Sunday, so make sure you subscribe my channel and please keep supporting, as this is a very new channel and I really need your guys support. So till then, stay tuned and happy styling.